Mahabharata is remembered for various righteous and noble characters. One of the characters that will always come top in the list of righteousness is Bhishma, also known as Devavrat. Devavrat was born to Ganga and Shantanu. Shantanu had married Ganga and she agreed to marry him on one condition. Shantanu would never question Ganga for her actions. Ganga gave birth to 7 sons and drowned each of them in the river. Shantanu never questioned these actions but was highly infuriated. When the 8th child was born, Shantanu stopped Ganga and asked her the reason why she was doing so. Ganga was angry that Shantanu broke his promise and she had to break the marriage. Ganga then explained the curse that both had received in the previous birth and how their 8 children were born to suffer on earth. Bhishma was the 8th child. He was saved by Shantanu just to see a life of misery and trouble ahead of him. After his birth, Ganga took Devavrat to heaven and gave him the best education that he could ever receive. He was trained by the mighty Parshuram in the skills of war and martial arts. He was trained by sages like Shukracharya, Shankaracharya, Brihaspati, Markandeya, and every other renowned sage that was considered the highest in their knowledge, taught Bhishma. Indra also bestowed celestial weapons to him. After his training and education was complete, Bhishma had to return to earth and live with his father, leaving his mother in heaven. Bhishma returned to earth, and one day, while he was practicing his archery skills and playing with Ganga, Shantanu spotted him. Unaware of the truth, Shantanu asked him how could he stop Ganga with his arrows and what made him give these powers. Bhishma revealed the truth and Ganga also appeared to confirm it. She played her role in making her husband and son meet and then took a heartfelt return to heaven. Shantanu was extremely pleased and happy to have his son back. His joy seemed to have no limit, and he soon wanted to bestow the kingdom to Bhishma and gave him the throne. His coronation was soon approaching when Bhishma figured out that something worried his father. Shantanu had fallen in love with Satyavati. Bhishma went to Satyavati and asked the reason of his father's grief. Satyavati told him about the condition she would marry him with. He renounced his kingdom, took the oath of celibacy when he heard the condition, and made the couple marry. He got the name Bhishma due to this extremely difficult oath that he had taken. This oath led him to reject Ambalika, who was later reborn as Shikhandi, to take revenge. Bhishma always favored the right and was in support of Pandavas, but because of his loyalty towards Hastinapur, had to fight on behalf of the Kauravas. Shikhandi managed to injure him and Arjun killed him with a rain of arrows. He also had a boon that he could die whenever he wanted, and he used that when Shikhandi had injured him. Bhishma requested Arjun to give him a noble death. Arjun did so, and thus Bhishma met his end after a life full of miseries and troubles.